Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I am Katie and I'm going to be walking you through creating your account with Universal Class. Universal Class is a program offered at the library, through the library, that offers different online courses in tons of different topics, from arts and crafts to psychology. It's a great resource that we have here at the library and a great resource for you in your homes as well. Starting at the home page of the Burley Public Library, we can scroll down to this other resources sidebar right here and click on the logo for Universal Class. That takes us directly to the library version. If you just search in Google, it'll take you here and ask you to pay for a membership. The library pays for this membership already, and so the tab will take you straight to this page where you can register and create an account. Another place on the Burley Public Library website that we can go is this additional resources tab. Scroll down to online courses and Universal Class is right there. So we'll head back to this tab and we are going to create our account today. So new users, you'll enter your library card number. And then you'll register with all of your information. They have an age check button and you'll agree to the terms and services. I have already created an account, but you are going to choose a password and press continue. After you create your account, it'll take you to different courses. These courses include accounting, business, many things. You can click on any of these and start learning today. You can also click on here to view your classes, achievements, your profile, and there's a lot of different options and courses that you can take. But we wish you luck in your learning journey, and let us know if you have any questions about creating an account or things that you can explore on this website.